The 2023 edition of the Mobile World Congress, kicking off Monday in Barcelona, saw a strong return of Asian participants. Among some 80,000 people from over 200 countries and regions expect to attend the events, some 5,000 people are registered from China.
Over 2,000 exhibitors have brought their latest products, featuring their latest technological innovations in the mobile industry at this year's event. Chinese companies like Honor, Xiaomi, and OnePlus are set to launch their new smartphones here. Themed on velocity, this year's show will have 5 key seminars focusing on 5G acceleration, Reality Plus, OpenNet, FinTech, and digital everything. Visitors can also have a glimpse of a capsule train that can levitate over rails with a top speed of 1,200 kilometers per hour, the latest surgical robots, artificial intelligence, and so on. The event runs until Thursday.